Hi there, it's day one of my new um, present to all of you 12 days of Canva training templates. So, two ways to use this 12 days of gifts. One, you can just ask me for the templates and then use them for your business. Two, if you watch the video every day, you'll gain some Canva skills and you'll be able to make the same templates that I do. Or, of course, you can do both. If you would like the templates and you want to get them in your email so you can use my templates, just email me or direct message me, whatever platform you're on works. I'm Becky at farmgirlmarketingsolutions.com, and I want to wish you a very happy Canva graphics day. So today we're going to make a suggestive marketing graphic, and part of marketing is educating people. So one of the things you want to do is give your clients ideas at who might like a Pilates gift certificate. And really, you'd think that people would figure this out by themselves, They go, I like Pilates, so certainly this person would like Pilates. But that's really not how it works. Sometimes you just need to put the idea in their head. So we are going to make a Canva graphic, and I'm going to actually make an email graphic for this one. So I am going to choose my Canva desktop and share it for you. And there we go. And the first thing we're going to do is brand that background. So let's use a brand color. The second thing we are going to do is we are going to holiday this up a little bit with some snow. Now, you see here, I have searched for snow in the Elements toolbar. How did I know to do that? I took a chance. In Elements, they have a little bit of everything. So just type what you're thinking. Like if I chose Let It Snow, I bet they have a whole bunch of those. So Canva has a ton of things in here. You just have to use your imagination and put it on there. So I'm actually going to put a little snow on my graphic. And this is kind of big snow. And I'm just going to stretch it. By moving these corners. And that more looks like white polka dots or splotches. So I'm going to get rid of that. I decided I didn't like it. Now, what if I take this snow border? Ooh, that's pretty. So this doesn't exactly fit this graphic because you see it's sizing not for my Twitter post size that I have here, but I can still use it by placing it on all three sides. Okay, so now I have branded my graphic and I have holidayed it up a little. If you want to holiday it up a little bit more, you could change the colors of these snowflakes to be colors of your brand. I probably wouldn't choose something that dark, but it's certainly something you can do. I'm going to just undo that. And now we need a Santa with a list. So you can do this in two places. You can get a photo of Santa with a list by choosing photos. You can get a drawing of Santa with a list by choosing elements. I'm going to choose elements for this one, and I'm going to say Santa and his list. And you see it comes up with lots of graphics that I can use. And you just have to pick in there. And sometimes weird things pop in like that hello right there. And you could choose, depending on what you choose here, you would you could put your next part of the text on the actual Santa's list. And those are my dogs who bark whenever I'm making a video. I'm just going to put Santa and his list right here. And now I'm going to do the suggestive part. Who on your list would want a Pilates gift certificate? So I'm just going to enter some text. Who on your list would love as my dogs totally whack out, I promise you can be very creative. And just to entertain you, I just saw a truck drive by with reindeer antlers. So they are in the holiday spirit too. I don't know if Mike will let us get reindeer antlers from our truck. So now we've got the question, who on your list would love a Pilates gift certificate? Now we're going to make a list. So I'm going to choose text again. And I want this to look like I actually made a list, like I printed a list. So I am going to select a font that looks like that by typing printing. Oh, printing is not the good one. Handwriting is what they like to give me. So there you can see that you can get the cursive or some printing in many different forms. And you can choose which one makes sense to you. I am going to choose Bright Sunshine Caps just because I think it's pretty. I'm going to change the color of that font to this white and make it a little bigger. And I'm actually going to add my list. I want all of this to be left justified, and then I will finish the graphic from there. So who on your list would love a Pilates gift certificate? Okay, your BFF would love one. Your, now in this case, this year might be a little different because of the pandemic. If you're doing virtual classes, your Pilates gift certificate could be used by someone far away. So it might be BFF in another state. So you have to remind people that while usually they would only give people a gift certificate if they were within driving distance, now is different. So your mom might like one, your daughter might like one, your hairstylist might like one, your cleaning lady might like one. You pick someone who works at a computer, someone with back pain. You have to give people these ideas. Okay, now I am going to actually line these up. I might. And now it just doesn't look like a list yet. So easily I could do bullets and put all bullets on all of them. And I'll select them all so I can have bullets. And that works great. And you could just leave your graphic right there. I would probably move it over a little bit. And there you go. Or if you wanted to get fancy, I'm going to take the bullets off, move it over a little bit, and I'm going to actually ask Canva to find me a checkbox. Just to be in the spirit of Christmas. and I size it to my lines. Make it a color that matches my brand. And then to get 5 of them, I'm just going to copy and paste it. So I'm going to select it, do Control C to copy, then Control V for mom, daughter, hairstylist, cleaning lady, computer, back pain. So I have 6 of them that are the exact same size. And then you notice the guides coming up, so I can name them or I can line them up just perfectly. And I don't know how well you can see those in the video. They're the little pink lines that are showing up. Oh, and somehow I got an extra one. So I'll delete that one. Now, the lines aren't lining up exactly. So I'm going to put a little more space in between those lines. So I'm going to go up to the spacing toolbar. I'm going to add a little line height and maybe take it up to 1.6-ish. And that's totally just how it looks. It's not like the number is going to be important to you. And now I need to move my boxes to go with each item. And I can just hear a couple of you saying to me, I'm going to go with the bullets. And that's fine, because that's easy. This is just if you want to get fancy. And there's that extra one that I had lost. So there you go. Once again, happy day 1 of Pilates gift certificates and the 12 days of Christmas Farm Girl style. If you wanted to put a logo on this screen, you could do that as well. So just download it and use it, and then use the resize tool in Canva Pro to resize it for other platforms. Thank you. Have a great day, and I'll see you back tomorrow with day 2.